Well, hello there, guys. Welcome to another episode of Dino's World. I'm so happy because finally we got the Arrow exhaust for my beloved Daytona. So, that is music to my ears as well as yours. So, stay tuned for the BGM or background score vlog of the Arrow, symphony with the Triumph Triple coming soon right here at Dino's World. Another thing, today's video is about the Panigale V2 2021 BS6 model. Now, this is an India exclusive. I don't think anyone else has done an unboxing and cinematic feature and also an overview. I'm really looking forward to riding this. Powering the bike is a 959, tried and tested from the Panigale 959 engine, super quattro engine with the L twin signature L twin layout, which is also known as 90-degree V twin. Puts out 155 Italian blazing stallions and 104 newton meters of torque, 6-speed gearbox. You get a truckload of electronics with cornering ABS and a quick shifter. Bi-directional quick shifter means a quick shifter with an auto blipper. You have traction control, you have engine brake control, wheelie control. So this is a fun bike is what Ducati is presenting it as, and it's an absolute hoot on the road and as well as on the streets and on the track is what they claim. Gets this design inspiration from the V4, its elder sibling. So it looks absolutely super sharp and a proper Ducati Panigale bloodline instilled into it. Another quick bit of information, we all love scale models. Let me show you the latest one that I got. This is the Lamborghini Sian, and this is a proper metal scale model. I hope it captures it well without losing focus, and it comes with so all these sound effects. It also, the doors open up, and so does the hood and even the engine compartment, as you can see. So it's a pretty well detailed car, but it's not as good as the Burago models that we see, that the scale model market is known for, but it's pretty decent for the price. It's full metal and I kind of like it. Do you want me to collect more of these? Feel free to comment below and let me know what do you guys think about the Panigale V2. Do you like it? Do you think it's a little overpriced? I think the price starts from 17.49 lakhs, and you also have the white color on offer. I'll try and feature it if it arrives. But the red, of course, Ducati means red. And which one do you like? Do you like the white color or the red color? And what do you think? Where is the V2 placed? Is it a good proposition that Ducati are trying to make with the Panigale V2? Would you consider it over the likes of the 10R? Feel free to comment below. For now, let's go ahead and enjoy a detailed cinematic feature and an absolute visual feast in 4K Ultra HD of the scorching hot Panigale V2.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say, for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me, for I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never gone just have regrets. So I won't go back. Oh, look at me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. And the moon shine back again. And the moon shine back again. When I drove down to my base, see. Baby, I never say, for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me, for I